everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sharing with you this special egg omelette curry recipe. It's very delicious and it's easy to make. Let's start. Let's prepare the ingredients for the omelette. You need 10 gram cashew, 1 tablespoon urad dhal and 1 tablespoon chana dhal. Let's soak this for 5 minutes and blend it to a paste. These are the other ingredients you need to prepare. Step 2. Let's mix the omelette. In the mixing bowl, add 4 eggs, go ahead and whisk the egg slightly. To that, add 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chilli powder. Go ahead and mix until combined. Now let's add the chopped onion, chopped coriander, and chopped chilli. Go ahead and mix it again and add the blended dhal paste. Step 3. Let's fry the omelette. Okay guys, I'm using this mold to have this individual shape. If you don't have this, you can just use the pan and make sure you cut it into pieces. Let's cook this on both sides, approximately 1 minute, and transfer the cooked one and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the ingredients for curry. These are the ingredients for curry, and you need to blend this into paste. And these are other ingredients that needed. Step 5. Let's make the curry. In a hot wok, add 4 tablespoons oil and 1 tablespoon ghee. To that, add the dry spices, add curry leaves, give it a stir, and add the crushed black pepper. Add in the blended paste. Cook this for 1 minute until the sauce thickens slightly. Now go ahead and add the chili powder. You need to cook the chili for approximately 3 minutes. Now let's add the fish curry powder and add 1 cup of water. And this gravy needs to cook for at least 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, let's add the coconut milk. Now at this stage, I added 2 more cups of water, which unfortunately was not recorded. Now let's cook this for another 4 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste into the curry. Also add salt to taste. Now bring the mixture to boil. Now let's add in the omelette. Stir and let this simmer for another 3 minutes. And finally, add in the chopped coriander leaves. And our egg curry is done. I hope you liked the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get the latest update on my video.